play piece simpat matangin wara spia ke jumpan bana kaba nakaliang jong ka sorkar Meghalaya kala ayengi menta ka singi ya ke jumpan tip lani kata ke jumpan bana kaba ngi kum kipat ba ngi don kambal tip ba hakini gitarik kindi gitarik kiba kongsan ban himda don kam ban kuslai ya kita ki singi trekam jong ka sorkar handai kini ki singi pat kini gitarik kindi ki singi kiba nakaliang jong ka sorkar Meghalaya ru kalabu ba kindi kita ki singi trei ba ngi kum kipat ba ngi nam ko lani ngi nam thut ha kalit kawan lani ha kadon kam don jam haki office lani haki department ki bapher te to menta india page ya kini ki singi pat gitarik hakaba nakaliang jong ka sorkar Meghalaya kalapan bana nakamenta jungi ba kijing kapat kabarit na kaliang jong selwa ada bidang de juga hang thama ya kene ka channel ke jonga tilso baba pinya share like ba subscribe ya kene ka video ba kunjuru ka channel ke jonga itu matang nya pule ya kene ka notification lane ka announcement ke balayo na ka sorkar Meghalaya. The government of Meghalaya has declared that all state government offices and all revenue and magisterial court in Meghalaya will remain open on March 16 and 23rd next this year as working days. So instead of March 23rd and 30 next as announced on December last year. So haka kandu but apply tarik hindi kita gising tray na kaliang jong ki office jong kasorkar. The working days was revised from 23rd and 30 March 2024 to 16 and 23rd March 2024 in view of Good Friday falling on March 29, 2024. So, namar ba don ka Good Friday haka arphlai tarik so na kata kadau lapan kandiat no ya kita kisngi naka arphlai bat lai pau tarik saka khandriu bat arphlai tarik jong ubnai match arjar arpsau. So notably, the Meghalaya government declared all state government offices and all revenue and magisterial court to remain closed on 28 and 29 December last as compensatory holidays. So macam sedang pada ka government ka lapak khang no ya ki office baro kepada jong ka government ka aprab kanai tarik di ban dap ban pura ya kita ki singi syuti ke government matau senam ka la pa plino ya kini kisi kepada arpalai ba hypothetical kepada ki Saturday jong benai March. So further in compensation, the government on December last declared that all such offices and court will remain open on the 23rd and 30th Saturdays of March 2024. So tangkatahi baik ba ya menta ngej ba pilatip ya kini ka khubor ke ba layo na sorkar Meghalaya ba bapinbu jing kan mau ya kini kitarik ba kini kitarik trekam jong ki office ki bapher ki bade hapo jong ka state Meghalaya. Blai shibun, blai syajang.